here's something interesting from the Spanish company Gamo, which offers the TC-35 and TC-45 rifles for your arsenal. A fun fact about this gun, it actually comes from South Korea. The fact is that the Spanish company reached an agreement with the South Korean company Evernex and sells its rifles under its own brand. The calibers are 9mm and 11.43mm respectively. Both rifles have sufficient power for recreational shooting, as well as for hunting, for example, wild boar. The weight and price of the Spanish rifles in both cases are the same, 4 kilograms and $1,050. The Korean version is slightly more expensive, $1,200. This is a very unusual homemade crossbow gun. The designer saw a wooden model and created a 3D printed copy of it. But he warned people who plan to replicate it to check first that they're not going to get in trouble with the law. This version supports 6 projectiles from 160 to 163mm in length. The crossbow comes with 2 Picatinny rails for sight, target designator, and other upgrades. The gun weighs about 600 grams, and the cocking system leaves many production crossbows behind, comments claim. The kit is expected to sell for about $100. Next up is the evolution of the Slingshot. This is how the manufacturer describes his creation. Some viewers might feel some nostalgia. This slingshot looks disturbingly similar to homemade devices children make to shoot berries and small apples. Except that with this weapon, you can get in serious trouble. In some regions of China, Norway, Iceland, and other countries, it is banned, and rightly so. This gun can shoot not only balls, like paintball pellets, but also arrows. Probably that's why the manufacturer offers this slingshot to hunters and even fishermen. The firing speed is about 107 meters per second, and the price of the most advanced set is about $139. The following is a weapon that has caused quite a bit of controversy in forums and YouTube comments. The key question is this a crossbow or not? The fact is that the designers used micro limbs instead of classic limbs. This is a patented solution, and the final product has been dubbed a torsion crossbow, but not everyone agrees. While you write your opinion in the comments, let's take a quick look at the specifications. The crossbow weighs 4.5 kilograms, shoots arrows at 112 meters per second, and is only 10 centimeters wide. Interestingly, one of the slogans says something like, "Don't improve your gear, improve your hunt." And this improvement costs $2,495. This slingshot claims to be a sniper model for a killer price of $207. It's called the RSX-8, and it's unfair to compare it with similar products, according to its designers, if only because the shooting range with the right skills exceeds 100 meters. Moreover, it is possible to hit even a cane toad at a distance of 50 meters. Of course, it has a Picatinny rail, but you'll have to buy the optical accessory separately. The weight of the sniper slingshot is 5 kilograms, and is delivered in 3 separate boxes. The main topic in the comments is whether its purchase and use is legal in different countries. MAMBA compound crossbows are also referred to on the web as pistol crossbows. Their manufacturer focuses on compactness and lightness. Some models weigh about a kilogram and are 41 centimeters long. However, the small size hides some impressive features. Many models can be used for hunting. For example, the innovative design and the silent bowstring tensioner are great if you need to quickly get ready to shoot in confined spaces. Although some commenters believe that such reverse limb systems are more of a marketing tactic than a real necessity. That said, the price of these crossbows ranges from $400 to $500. What do you think? If the previous crossbow seems too expensive, you can start with something simpler, like a slingshot. We're not joking. The following models can be used for hunting and even have telescopic sights. These slingshots are made in China, and the approximate price is $198. For this money, buyers will get tension adjustment, for example for recreational shooting and for hunting, a metal housing and a plastic grip. The shooting velocity reaches 137 meters per second, and in some kits you can find not only a spare rubber band set, but also a tool kit.